Since I'm not using flour or eggs as binding agents to keep our crackers together, I'm going to use whole flaxseed mixed with hot water and let it sit until glue-like consistency is formed, and that would be the agent that will hold our nuts together for our crackers. For 1 cup of flaxseed, we're going to add 1 cup of hot boiling water. I'm going to set flaxseed to the side for about 20 minutes to kind of get that glue consistency out. And in the meantime, the fun part is adding all the nuts together, or all the seeds together, or whatever you have. I'm using both nuts and seeds. I have sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and finely chopped pecans. So I'm going to add 2 cups combined together in my bowl and mix it up. I decided to use a cup of sunflower seeds, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, and half a cup of pecans. I'm going to mix it all up and add a little bit of salt. To our baking sheet, I'm going to lightly drizzle. I have avocado oil. I have baking sheet. You can always also use parchment paper. Well, where's my oil? There you go. Now the fun part of combining both mixtures, nuts and flaxseed mixture together. You know, my favorite part about these crackers is that they use simple ingredients, and I know and can pronounce every single one of them. I don't have to worry about what is this mysterious ingredient in here, or what kind of preservatives these crackers use, and they're very simple to make too. Just 4 ingredients, and bam, oven, and they're done. Everything has been mixed together, so now I'm going to put it on a baking sheet and try to spread it out as thin as possible, because we want our crackers to have that snap when you break them. To spread it out, I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my spatula, so that way the seeds don't stick as I try to spread them out. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil to the top and then sprinkle with sea salt. This will give us the extra crispiness to our crackers. In the oven it goes at 400 for 25 minutes. Then we're going to reduce the temperature to 350 for another 15 minutes. Y'all, these crackers are so addicting. It's hard to just have one bite. They're crunchy, they're crispy. And most of all, they're healthy. And they taste good. That helps.
And that's it, my friends, from my kitchen to yours. See you on the next recipe.